go. Hey everybody, we're gonna make some healthy lettuce wraps. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you some easy lettuce wraps that are nice and refreshing that you can make. And if you're still hungry after you eat them, you can always make a salad. So I'm going to just go ahead and get started. Let me wash my hands again. I'm not doing any editing except for the intro. Other than that, we're just going to go through with every, let it flow, because I don't, I do a lot of editing and it's just a lot of work. So today's going to be just a, go with it day. Okay, so this might be bad because I bought this a few weeks ago. So I have this as a backup. You're looking a little, yeah, a little dead. The ones inside might, yeah, we're going to let this go. I hate to waste it, but oh well. I waited too long. I meant to do that a long time ago. Oh, if you hear that, that's just my rain. I'm listening to my rain sounds from my other channel. Holidays Gentle Sounds. Go check it out. Matter of fact, let's play some relaxing music from the coffee shop. I'm not going to put my speaker on because I don't feel like... Do you know that they are playing ads on my freaking... one of my videos and I don't even get monetized? I am so... mad about that. Yeah, I'm pretty pissed off. Anyway, so this one is my favorite. I'm not going to put the speaker on, so it's not going to sound as good, but isn't that nice to look at? So that's for my other, I'm just going to look at it while I'm making this. It's very nice to look at. So, Holidays Gentle Sounds. Go check it out. Subscribe. I changed my focus. It would be just more so like catered toward classrooms for relaxation music and adults for relaxing music at home. Nature sounds for sleep. And all, it's not going to be, I'm not going to do lullabies anymore. So these come already like this. These are organic. Just for the sake of showing you, I'll just probably make like 3 of them. I need the right kind of, I need it to be open like this. They're kind of folded. This one is looking brown. I don't like that. Okay, I'll just make 2 on camera. Those are the best ones that are not all folded. The other ones I'll do by myself. Guess I could do 3. Alright, get that out of the way. You know what? I should rinse this through, but I'm not going to because it's going to get all... they're organic, but I'm still just going to just run... spray a little of this veggie wash and just rinse them through. I hate washing certain things because then it's all watery, you know what I mean? Like certain salads mixes, I don't wash them because it just messes up. It makes my dressing watery or something. Oh, this just broke in half. Oh, darn it. Drain some of the water. I don't know if you can tell because, just because I don't have my speaker or it's just, but there's the sound of rain is in there too. If you have your headphones on, you can hear it better. Alright, just go to my channel, put your headphones on, play it. It's great. It's really great. So we're going to do red onions. You only do red onions if you're going to be alone. You don't want to offend nobody. Just putting a few on each one. Okay, that's that. Red onions. You know what? I decided I'm not gonna do bell peppers. No, I'll do bell peppers. I'm not gonna do too. I don't know. We'll see. I honestly don't feel like cutting up a lot of stuff. I decided I'm going to stop and then restart and then speed up the cutting part. I'm just going to cut up everything and rinse them. So here's how they come out. Not as beautiful as the thumbnail, but hey, we tried. Okay, so we're done. That's it. That's all. Again, if you eat these and you're still hungry, or matter of fact, just dump it all into a salad if you're one of those people like me who sometimes that's just not enough. This might be enough. I might eat a few pieces of fruit with it first, and then eat this, and then it'd be enough. It'll help satiate me better. But if you are one of those where like, this ain't gonna be enough, just throw it over a bed of lettuce, and make, maybe eat one as a lettuce leaf taco, and then throw the rest of it in a salad and mix it all in. You already got the bitchin sauce. You can use that as your dressing. It's very important. I only did 2 tablespoons of this because people just go willy-nilly with sauces, and calories count, so they don't really pay attention to calories coming from stuff like this. It adds up. I'm not on a weight loss journey, but like if you are trying to lose weight, I'm just maintaining. But if you are on a weight loss journey, you gotta be careful with stuff like this because it's calories that people don't really count. They're like, oh, they just go crazy with the sauces, but honey, it adds up, okay? So be careful. I only did 2 tablespoons, and then I just kind of made it work. So I had some grapes, right? And then I'm gonna let it fester for 10 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna eat this. And then if I still feel like I need something, I'll just eat the other half of this avocado and call it a day. All right. Oh! Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know you watched it. Let me know if you'll try something like this. It's very easy, simple, and delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.